Alright, what's up, fellas? We got us a 1973 Evinrude 6500. No, 65 horsepower. And got a couple of fellows that are fellow YouTubers here. We got Frank, he's down here messing with the lower unit. And we got Bill over here. They're from Michigan. They came all the way down for me to try to work on this. Oh, I should have stopped you. You could have saved that.
No, it was shot. Roached.
Did it pull up or something?
No, it was.
Oh, it was roached?
Yeah.
We'll need another water pump.
Just, can we get the gasket? I'm going to go get that box.
Yeah, I didn't see a gasket. I should have stopped him. Because that could have been fine, you know. Yeah. There's the impeller key. You can't lose that.
Good eyes.
Yeah.
I would have thought it was another piece of that rubber.
Yeah, that would not be good. I know they call for that, but I wouldn't. And see, he had this on top. This should have been on bottom.
What do you mean on the bottom?
This gasket should have been here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, this gasket should have been on the bottom. And then, because I looked it up. And then, yeah, and then I would never use this stuff. Because what happens if it ever tears?
Yeah.
Then it gets sucked up into your engine. You know.
Yeah.
I know sometimes Johnson calls for their little gasket deal. I think it's like pliable liquid, like he doesn't.
So here's parts from the old one. There's a gasket there.
That'll work. That's fine.
See, that's on top.
This plate. Yeah, but
And here's
it probably.
other
Probably
impeller. Goes like that.
See, yeah, that one was. This one's on top too. Yeah, that's right. It should go. You know, it should go down.
Oh, okay. Down, not up.
Yeah, I'm
Wanna
almost
clean that
positive that. Yeah, I'm just
looking.
to see if it's. Like, yeah. So they had this one wrong too. I'm almost positive that. I'll look.
You mean that one's wrong?
I think too, yeah. We'll look it up, but I'm almost positive.
Now this is the old water pump too, the housing and everything.
That's their impeller key. We gotta keep that. Yeah, I don't think there was really anything. I mean, I would have cleaned it up. It doesn't look terrible.
And then this is the one that came out of it. So,
well, let's just hang tight and.
While I'm in here, I bought a new one of these.
Okay. Anyway, we're just screwing around here. We're trying to get this going. The time it was out pretty good. Kind of adjusted that yesterday, and today it wasn't peeing, so we're just trying to figure out, you know, why it wasn't peeing, which we had a bad impeller, and you know, might have sucked up some pieces in the engine, so we're gonna have to flush it, see if we can't get it to pee, and I don't know. We'll be back.
Are you